All right, problem 1-124. Find an equation for each line described below. The line that passes through the point 2, 8 and has a slope of y equals -5. So by equation here, I'm going to assume they're meaning it's a linear equation and they're looking for slope-intercept form. So that's what we will go for right now, although there are other forms of linear equations. What we're going to need to do here is we know that we have 2 and 8 and we have a slope of -5. So our x equals 2, our y equals 8, and our m equals -5. All that's missing right now is b. So we're going to take these and plug them into the equation and solve it for b. I'll do that kind of over here. So we're going to have 8 equals -5 times 2 plus b. -5 times 2 is -10, so we have -10 plus b equals 8. We add our 10 to each side. And then we get 18 is going to equal b, which means then that our equation should be y equals our slope, which is -5, times x plus 18. Next, the line that passes through the points -3, 4 and 5, 4. I'm sorry, 5, -4. So we're given 2 points, so we can find the slope. So remember, slope comes from the change in the y over the change in x. So we have like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or if you just want to plot them and count, that works too. So let's do that. M equals, I'm going to do 4 minus -4. That means I also have to do -3 minus 5. I can't do 5 minus -3. That doesn't work. You have to do from the same point, go in the same order. So 4 minus -4 over -3 minus 5. 4 minus -4 is 8. -3 minus 5 is -8, which gives us -1 for our slope. And now we'll do the same thing we did above, where we've got a point and a slope. We'll take them and put them in here. We've got, I'll use this point here. 4 equals our slope, which is -1, times our -3 plus b. -1 times -3 is +3. We subtract our 3 from each side, and we get b equals 1. So our equation is going to end up being y equals our slope, which is -1. So we have -x, or -1x if you need it, plus 1. Last but not least, letter C, the line that passes through the points -2, 4 and 4, -5. Let's do the same thing we just did above. I'm going to do 4 minus -5, and then -2 minus 4. Four minus -5 is 9. -2 minus 4 is -6, which is going to be -3/2 is our slope. Let's use one of these points to get the rest of it. Let's use this one this time. So -5 equals y equals m times x plus b. -3/2 times 4 is going to be -6 plus b equals -5. Add 6 to each side. We're going to get 1 equals b. Let's put it all together. We're going to have y equals -3/2 x plus 1. That is our third equation from problem 1-124. If you have questions, hopefully this helped. If you have more, make sure you ask a teacher or get help before your test. Thanks for watching.